when we were feeding multiple baby sheep and goats, it was getting to be a pain. So I needed to come up with some kind of contraption that could hold the bottles, and it could be portable like my system kind of is with, you know, moving the electric fences around and doing rotational grazing. And so I needed something that was very portable and had wheels. So I came up with this contraption. This is the full build portable bottle holder for sheep and goats. Now, this will probably also work for cattle as well. And you can adjust the height as needed. I kind of had to work with it a little bit for the height to get it to where I needed it, kind of some trial and error to what's comfortable for you, for whatever kind of livestock you have. Now, I know I've seen the ones that fit on the fences, but of course, since we were running electric fences, those electric fences are just too flimsy when you can't hang stuff on them, right? So those things weren't working for me and my portable fence system. So this works a whole lot better. So hopefully, if this is something that you're looking for, this can help you as well get started on your own little project. So instead of measuring it, I know that most of the time I put the bottle right about where my knees are to feed the sheep. I'm just gonna get a loose estimate. This is about where my knee is, and so I just got to cut these now at the same angle as these. So I'm just gonna do that by putting them both together, getting this straight, and then coming across like so. You finish this up while I do the bottle holders, okay? Okay. As soon as you're done nailing the other side, and do the same thing to this side, okay? And then we just take that and we lay it down on that, and it's pretty well done, except we're just gonna add some wheels to it to make it a little bit more mobile. But honestly, I mean, we can go ahead and put the milk bottles in there and let them feed from it. A project isn't really fully complete until I get hurt.
How bad is it? Oh, it's not.
So we're almost done now. We've got our first injury out of the way. I feel like Tim Allen off of Home Improvement. Like except I'd never go to the ER.
Multiple.
Yeah, so we need at least, just to give it plenty of space, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 inches in between each one.
Okay, you want me to mark that?
Yeah, so just mark every 4 inches here. But listen, so like think about where the bottle's gonna be. So we can't start until we're right here. So take out, so every 4 inches you're gonna mark in the middle. You know what I'm saying?
Start it like right
so here, do this, and then mark right in the middle of 4 inches. So you're gonna mark at the 2 inch mark, and then the next 4 inches is 4 through 8. So mark.
And then 18. You guys are so curious.
Before I get too far, I'm gonna test her out. So the bottle stands up now, comes out the back, and yeah, it fits. That's good. It works.
Can we test it?
Okay, now do Now do the end, and then do like one more on each one, okay?
And this looks nice.
We could probably like sell this to a church or something. Like they could like put their little reading hymnal books on there.
Why are there holes in them?
Well, that's to put their little communion cups, you know?
Oh yeah.
Put the little communion cups in there, and then they can read their little books. They might spill because it's like sideways. Maybe they could drink them first and then put them in there. Nuts. You're not all the way. All right, put the other hammer, or put the other wheel on the other side. What are you doing? There. All right, put another one right there.
Snicker.
Little man.
Snicker.
Trying to work here, dude. So you got your bottles. Put your bottles in there, and then we can put it in the sheep. Roll. You gotta put some handles on it. That won't be too hard. Roll it into the sheep thing, and all your goats and your lambs suck on the little bottles. Boom.